Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So, in order to take a full screen screenshot, you simply have to hold down the power button of your tablet, and while holding it down, short press the volume up key. This will immediately take a full screen screenshot that you can find in File Explorer, in Pictures, then Screenshots. Let's sort them by date, and here is the screenshot that we took. Now, if you want to take another kind of screenshot, if you have a keyboard, just press the print screen button on it and you'll open the screenshot tool where you'll be able to select all kinds of screenshot that you want to take. And if you don't have a keyboard, you have to open the start menu and search for the Snipping Tool application. Open it, then select the kind of screenshot that you want to take, for example the rectangular one which I mentioned. Then you have to tap new, and then you have to, doesn't work every time I guess. Okay, so tap new and then make a selection of your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. As you can see, here we have our newly saved screenshot. Now let's try other screenshot options, starting with the folder screenshot. So let's open this screenshot menu, select window. No, I don't have to close this snipping tool. Tap new and then tap on the window that you want to take a screenshot of. And the last option is the freeform screenshot. So let's reopen the snipping tool. Let's go to the screenshot modes, and here underneath the full screen we have freeform. So let's tap new, and now to take a freeform screenshot you simply have to draw a shape on your screen that you'd like to capture. And here's what it looks like. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.